to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, then what you need to do is first thing we need to do is check if you have a recent backup on your phone. To do that, what you have to do is tap on the settings of your WhatsApp, or just go with the three dots which is on the top right and then go with settings. Once you're here, you're going to tap on the chat option, and then you're going to tap on chat backup. You can scroll down and you'll find the chat backup right here on the bottom. Tap on it and then go and select the backup. Make sure that you've backed up all of your memories or all of your messages. So if you've already backed up, then you'll be able to restore your deleted messages. So in order to restore your deleted messages, what you need to do is just simply go back and then uninstall your WhatsApp. Just go with uninstall, which will be right here. Click on it and then click on uninstall, which will be on the bottom. Once you uninstall the application, you need to again go with your Play Store or your App Store and then install it again. And once you've installed it, or once you've downloaded, then WhatsApp will recover deleted messages through local backups. And this only works if you have an Android and your messages were deleted in the last 5 days. So to do this, you will have to delete the WhatsApp application in order to recover your deleted messages, and just download it. And while you try to log into your account, or while you log in, you'll have restore backup option. You just need simply go with yes under restore backup and you'll be able to restore your messages. That's how you can recover your deleted messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.